The decade is winding down, and it's time to take a look back at the wild weather that 2019 brought to South Texas. From hurricanes to heat waves, we've ranked the top 5. So without further ado, at number 5 is the November 12th ice event. Yes, we've seen worse ice storms before, but what made this interesting was that the roads were just fine until the morning rush hour hit. Then temperatures fell just below freezing, causing bridges to ice over, especially along Highway 1604. Numerous accidents would occur simultaneously. It was a busy morning. Now for number 4. It was on September 19th that a strong storm pushed through San Antonio around 9:30 p.m. Powerful winds would come along with the thunderstorm, strong enough to topple a 100-foot tall scaffolding downtown. The scaffolding was being used to repair a building. 3 people were injured. On to number 3. It may not be a local event, but Hurricane Dorian makes the list because of the sheer power of the storm. Hitting the Bahamas as a Category 5 hurricane, several islands were decimated. It was the strongest storm ever to hit the island country, with winds of 185 miles per hour at landfall. 73 deaths are estimated from the storm, while thousands of homes were destroyed. The storm would also make landfall as a weakened hurricane in North Carolina. Number 2. This event was memorable for those who lived on the northwest side of San Antonio. On April 13th, a long-track supercell which formed near Del Rio moved all the way to San Antonio, creating severe weather along the way. As it moved into the northwest side of town, baseball-sized hail was reported with powerful winds. Cars were smashed, windows busted, and roofs took a beating. Millions of dollars in damage were reported. And finally, number 1. Yes, summer was hot, but it was September specifically that would rewrite the record books. September 2019, since records have been kept in San Antonio, would go down as the hottest ever. The high temperature would average 96, with every single day in the month at 94 or above. With an overall average of 85.8 degrees, September 2019 beat out September of 1911. And that is our top 5 weather events for South Texas in 2019. Now we wait to see what 2020 has in store for us.